Have you ever heard of people becoming millionaires overnight with cryptocurrency investments? Do you wonder if you could be the next success story? If you're a beginner interested in getting started with cryptocurrency, then hold on tight, because in this video, we're going to show you how to take your first steps towards investing in digital assets, potentially changing your financial future forever. But what exactly is cryptocurrency and how does it work? In this video, we'll dive into the basics of cryptocurrency and explore its advantages and challenges. In this video, we'll cover 6 crucial steps that you need to know as a beginner to enter the world of cryptocurrency with confidence. From choosing a wallet and exchange to practicing good security habits, we'll walk you through the entire process and set you on the path towards financial success. So, if you're ready to learn how to turn your curiosity about cryptocurrency into a profitable investment, keep watching to discover the 6 crucial steps to get started with cryptocurrency as a total beginner. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, which are issued by a central authority like a government or central bank, cryptocurrency operates independently of a central entity. Instead, it uses a decentralized network of computers and a technology called blockchain to process and verify transactions. Heard the term cryptocurrency before, but not sure what it means? Stay tuned to find out. As mentioned earlier, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. The word crypto means hidden or secret, and it refers to the complex mathematical algorithms that are used to secure and verify transactions. One of the main advantages of cryptocurrency is its decentralized nature. This means that there is no central authority or middleman involved in transactions, and users can transact directly with each other. This can make transactions faster, cheaper, and more efficient, particularly for international transactions. There are many different types of cryptocurrency, each with its unique features and use cases. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is designed to be a decentralized digital currency that can be used to purchase goods and services or traded like a commodity. Ethereum is another popular cryptocurrency that was created in 2015. Unlike Bitcoin, which is primarily used as a currency, Ethereum is a blockchain platform that allows developers to build decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. These applications can be used for a variety of purposes, including financial transactions, supply chain management, and more. Want to know why so many people are turning to cryptocurrency? Find out in this video. Now that we've covered the basics of cryptocurrency, let's explore some of the advantages it offers. One of the main advantages of cryptocurrency is its decentralization, which we discussed earlier. This means that transactions can be processed quickly and securely without the need for a central authority or middleman. Another advantage of cryptocurrency is its security. Cryptocurrency transactions are secured through complex cryptography and are stored on a decentralized network of computers, making them difficult to hack or manipulate. This can provide greater security and peace of mind for users, particularly for those who are concerned about privacy and security. Cryptocurrency is also fast and efficient. Transactions can be processed quickly and without the need for intermediaries, which can save time and money for businesses and individuals. Additionally, cryptocurrency transactions can be made 24/7, which can be particularly useful for international transactions that may require multiple time zones. Finally, cryptocurrency can provide greater financial freedom and accessibility. Because cryptocurrency is decentralized and operates independently of traditional banking systems, it can be used by anyone with an internet connection, regardless of their location or financial situation. Want to know the dark side of cryptocurrency? Tune in now. Investing in cryptocurrency can be exciting and potentially lucrative, but beginners need to be aware of several important factors before jumping in. While cryptocurrency offers many benefits, there are also risks and challenges associated with it. 1. Cryptocurrency is known for its volatility. Prices can fluctuate wildly in a short amount of time, leading to significant gains or losses. For this reason, beginners should only invest money that they can afford to lose and be prepared for the possibility of a significant decrease in their investment. 2. Cryptocurrency is not regulated by any government or financial institution. This means that there are no central authorities to protect investors or regulate the market. This lack of regulation can make cryptocurrency markets more susceptible to fraud and scams, so beginners need to be cautious and do their own research before investing. 3. Security is a critical consideration when investing in cryptocurrency. While cryptocurrencies are secured through complex cryptography and decentralized networks, there is always the risk of hackers exploiting vulnerabilities in the system. Therefore, beginners should take steps to protect their digital assets, such as using strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and keeping their private keys secure. 4. Liquidity is an essential consideration for beginners investing in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency markets can experience periods of low liquidity, making it challenging to buy or sell cryptocurrencies at the desired price. This can lead to slippage, where the price at which an investor buys or sells a cryptocurrency is different from the expected price. Beginners should understand the liquidity of the market they are investing in and be prepared for the possibility of slippage. And 5. Research is critical when investing in cryptocurrency. Beginners should do their research and understand the technology, the market, and the potential risks and benefits. They should also stay up to date with news and developments in the industry to make informed investment decisions. 6. There is a lack of regulation in the cryptocurrency industry, which can make it difficult for investors to navigate. Cryptocurrency exchanges, in particular, have come under scrutiny for their lack of regulation and security, with several high-profile hacks and scams occurring in recent years. 7. Finally, there is the risk of cybersecurity threats. While cryptocurrency transactions are secured through complex cryptography and decentralized networks, there is always the risk of hackers trying to exploit vulnerabilities in the system. Investors and users of cryptocurrency should take steps to protect their digital assets, such as using strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and keeping their private keys secure. Want to invest in cryptocurrency, but don't have any experience? Follow these steps to get started today. If you're interested in getting started with cryptocurrency, there are several steps you can take. If you're a beginner interested in investing in cryptocurrency, there are some crucial steps you need to take before jumping in. Here are some tips to help you get started. Educate yourself. Before investing in any asset, it's crucial to understand the basics of what you're investing in. This includes learning about blockchain technology, how it works, and the different cryptocurrencies available. Start with the basics and gradually work your way up to more advanced topics. Choose a wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is where you store your digital assets. There are various types of wallets available, such as desktop, mobile, and hardware wallets. Each type has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's essential to research and choose one that suits your needs. Choose an exchange. Cryptocurrency exchanges are online platforms where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. It's crucial to choose a reputable exchange that is secure, user-friendly, and has low fees. Research the different options available and choose the one that suits your needs. Buy your first cryptocurrency. Once you've chosen your wallet and exchange, you can start buying your first cryptocurrency. You can fund your account via bank transfer, credit card, or cryptocurrency. Be sure to research the fees involved and the exchange rate before making any purchases. Practice good security habits. The security of your digital assets is paramount in the cryptocurrency world. Ensure that you use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your private keys secure. By practicing good security habits, you can protect your digital assets from theft or loss. Stay informed. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, and it's essential to stay informed about any new developments or changes. Follow cryptocurrency news sources, subscribe to social media channels, and join online communities to stay up to date on the latest trends and market changes. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this beginner's guide to cryptocurrency helpful and informative. Starting anything new can be daunting, but we believe that with a little bit of knowledge and guidance, anyone can dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Make sure to take it slow, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. We encourage you to keep learning and exploring this fascinating field, and we wish you the very best of luck on your cryptocurrency journey. Thank you for watching our video on cryptocurrency for beginners. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on cryptocurrency and other tech topics.